Discover the innovation at Febtech Industries. Experience our unique mold temperature controller through our engaging animation video. Experience the durability of our high-quality steel tank, fortified with rust resistance and enhanced functionality through dual-level sensors. Achieve precision heating with our oil heater, ensuring shorter heating times for efficient operation. Introducing our oil chiller with cooling coils, efficiently chilled by water for optimal performance. Our high-pressure magnetic pump, built to sustain high temperatures for long-lasting performance. As the oil pours into the tank to kickstart the machine operation, keep an eye out for the alert light, ready to illuminate if the tank reaches its full capacity. Discover the reliability of the Mitsubishi control system. Experience the dependability of Japan's Mitsubishi control system and electrical hardware. Operate confidently with our CE-certified control panel. Rest assured with our control panel meeting CE standards, ensuring adherence to safety regulations. Let's dive into the working process of our mold temperature controller. Oil flows from the oil tank to the heater, where it is instantly heated to the specified temperature. Then, propelled by a magnetic pressure pump, it flows to the mold die. Watch as the heated oil flows through the die, increasing the die temperature to the specified level. Then, observe as it returns to the oil chiller, cooling down before circulating back into the oil tank. This cycle repeats, ensuring precise temperature control to maintain the specified temperature of the die. Why choose oil over water for your mold temperature control system? Firstly, experience enhanced temperature regulation. Thanks to oil's higher boiling point, it allows for precise temperature control over a broader range, guaranteeing optimal process control and superior product quality. Next, discover improved heat transfer efficiency. Oil's lower viscosity means it facilitates better heat transfer efficiency, enabling faster heating and cooling cycles. This efficiency boost leads to increased productivity and minimized downtime. Additionally, say goodbye to the issues of scaling and rusting. Unlike water-based systems, oil-based mold temperature controllers (MTCs) prevent scaling and rusting within the inner cooling and heating lines of the die. Die casting reduced cycle time. Faster cooling and solidification of the casting increases productivity by reducing the time needed for each casting cycle. Enhanced energy efficiency optimizes energy consumption by adjusting heating and cooling, tailors energy used to the specific needs of the casting process. Extended mold life prevents overheating and thermal shock, reduces maintenance costs and downtime by extending the life of the mold. Reduced porosity maintains consistent temperature to prevent gas entrapment, reduces small pockets or voids in the casting, enhancing part strength. Minimized shrinkage precisely controls mold temperature to minimize aluminium shrinkage, ensures the final casting meets desired specifications. Prevention of warping ensures uniform cooling to prevent different contraction rates. Minimizes warping and distortion, promoting a stable final product. Improved surface finish consistent temperature allows smoother molten aluminium flow, results in a better surface finish on the final product.